Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to get this Ariana Grande inspired makeup and hair because she recently got married and she kind of changed up her hair, which is really exciting. So I decided to show you guys how I would recreate her look from her wedding. Now again, like any video that I'm doing inspired by a celebrity, I know I look nothing like them. I look like me, they look like them. But yeah, so I show you guys how to get her new and improved half up, half down that she's been doing recently, along with the makeup that she did for her wedding, which is kind of like her usual makeup, just a little bit tweaked, a little bit more fancy looking. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so the makeup is done. I think I'm gonna go ahead and tweak some things. I don't know if these lashes are really working. I don't really find a pair that look super similar to the one that she has. These are a little bit too short for this look, I feel like. So I might go ahead and switch out the the eyelashes. So I just put some oil into my hair really quick just because she has a very sleek hairstyle. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to go in with a pencil and I'm going to just use this comb and I'm going to start bringing all the hair back. My shirt is falling. But we're going to keep that middle part. But I'm going to go ahead and go in with this got to be glued styling gel. I'm just going to grab a little bit and I'm going to put that into that part area. Just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna run the rest up and back like this. And now I'm going to go with my nails and go and bring a piece of hair back in the back of the head, just like this, so half up, half down. And then I'm going to start brushing this hair up and back. And I'm just going to keep going with that product just to smooth out any pieces. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with 2 hair ties. Alright, so that is the hair, the top of the hair pretty much done. I just have a few pieces of hair that I want to kind of put into place. Alright, so now for the rest of the hair, like all of this, I'm just going to kind of straighten these pieces here at the side that my hair kind of waves. And we're going to just keep like it kind of wavy curly at the bottom. So I have my straightener heating up, and we're going to get into that in a second. Alright, so the straightener is heated up, and I'm just going to go ahead, again, like I said, just straighten these pieces here on the side. Same over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab this hair and just make a bit of a curl right there at the bottom. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.